multi-award-winning Mazda 6. Now that's Zoom Zoom.
This is 5. We have interrupted normal programming to bring an emergency announcement shortly. This is 5. We have interrupted normal programming to bring you this emergency announcement. We have received reports of a controlled explosion in the London area. If you are in the area, we recommend you evacuate as soon as possible. Reports suggest that a suspicious package was found near a bus stop, which could have potentially been placed by terrorists. Specialist officers are currently assessing the situation. We advise that the public cooperate with the police during this time and remain calm. You must follow the instructions of emergency services at any given moment. Prime Minister Tony Blair has issued a statement on the bombings, calling them devastating and an attack on the British people. He also sent his condolences to those affected. The police have not disclosed the contents of the found package, but do advise the public to stay away from the area until they deem it safe for access. The people responsible for the package have not been identified. However, the police are looking into CCTV footage wherever possible to determine who caused the explosion. Our hearts go out to anyone who has been affected by this tragic event. We are working as hard as we possibly can to bring you more information about the explosion. Please stay with us. This is 5. We have more news concerning the explosion in London. It is with great sadness that we must report that there have been multiple casualties, but there is an undeterminable death toll due to the amount of rubble in the area. All major modes of transport, including buses and taxis, have been suspended for the time being until a decision can be made on what to do. Right now, we will hand over to 5 News for more information on this breaking news story.